All right, we leaving the spot. Packing up. Uber. Doing it. 1:46. We finally checked out. Last night you
waiting for this guy.
Oh yeah?
Oh yeah, you seen the video. We gonna show the video.
Check out, we already, what time is it? It's 1:02. Checkout's 12. I'm packed. They got my other bag downstairs. But last night, he was talking, oh yeah, we're gonna check out early. Early, let's go. I was like, dude, check yourself. You ain't never nowhere early, so let's be real.
We always on time.
We on time, but we ain't early. We ain't never early.
We arrived the time we were meant to arrive at the right time.
We ain't never early.
Watch when we get there. It will be the perfect moment for the perfect situation. We always on time.
Oh,